morning, children. In yesterday class, we are going to discuss about the monohybrid cross on pea plants, right? So Mendel to conduct the heredity experiment on pea plants. So the experiment name is monohybrid cross. What do you mean by monohybrid cross? The crossing between two pea plants with one specific character can get two constructing forms. But in a dihybrid cross, next experiment, dihybrid cross. So the dihybrid cross is nothing but the crossing between two pea plants with the two specific character can get the four constructing forms. Can get the four constructing forms. But in a monohybrid cross, crossing between two pea plants with one specific character. It is very important. One specific character, it is nothing but monohybrid cross. But crossing between two pea plants with the two specific character, that is nothing but dihybrid cross. In the monohybrid cross, there are two constructing forms. But in dihybrid cross, there is a formation of four constructing forms. That is nothing but dihybrid cross. Dihybrid cross means what? The crossing between two pea plants with the two specific character can get the four constructing forms. That is nothing but a dihybrid cross. If the crossing between two pea plants with two specific character can get four constructing forms. It is nothing but dihybrid cross. The crossing between two pea plants with the two specific character can get the four constructing forms. That is nothing but dihybrid cross. Is it clear? Right. So here, what are the two characters? Mendel can choose the length of the stem. So this is the first character. Whenever we are going to take the length of the stem, two constructing forms in the yesterday class. That is tall plant and dog plant. One is the tall plant and the second one is the dog plant. These are the two constructing forms. One can explain the length of the stem. And another one, color of the flower. We can take flower, color of the flower. So here red and white. Red and white are the two constructing forms for color of the flower character. Color of the flower character, what are the two constructing forms? Like red flower, white flower. And length of the stem, tall plant with the tall plant and dog plant. Is it clear? So we can write here their gametes. Tall plant gametes, capital T. Dog plant gametes, small t. Right? And color of the flower, red flowering plant, that is nothing but capital R. That is nothing but capital R. White flower, that is nothing but small r. So red flower with a tall plant. So capital R, capital T is nothing but red flower with tall plant. Capital small r, small t. It indicates a white flower with a dog plant. White flower with a dog plant. This is clear. So the crossing between these two. That means the crossing between red flower with a tall plant, white flower with a dog plant. Here crossing model. What is the result? What are the offsprings? Comes from red flowering with a tall plant, white flower with a dog in F1 generation and F2 generation. Right? So let us study about the crossing. Mendel to collect polar grains to take capital T, capital R, small t, small r. That is nothing but the Mendel crossing between red flower with a tall plant and a white flower with a dark plant. Right? So then the Mendel to collect polar grains from red flower with a tall plant to white flower with dark plant by artificially. So artificial pollination takes place in the first filial generation. So here all plants becomes a tall plant with a red flower. All plants becomes tall plant with red flower in the first filial generation. That is nothing but F1 generation. In F1 generation all plants are red flower with a tall plant because the pollination is artificially. So the pollination takes place by Mendel. Right? So here Mendel to collect the pollen grains from red flower with a tall plant to white flower with a dark plant. That means the pollen grains from here to here. Andra pollen grains anna idrollinda ತಗೊಂಡು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Mendel to transfer pollen grains from red flower with a tall plant to white flower with a dark plant. The result is in F1 generation all plants becomes red flower with a tall plant. Is it clear? But in the second filial generation, capital T, capital R, small t, small r into capital T, capital R, small t, small r. That is the in the first filial generation, all plants in F1 generation, first filial generation become self-pollinated. During the second filial generation, what are the results? Right? During a self-pollination. So F2 generation is the self-pollinated plants, but F1 generation is the artificial pollination plants. Is it clear? So here you can take the checkerboard. Here is the checkerboard. This is the checkerboard. This is the gametes. Capital T, capital R, capital T, small r, small t, capital R, small t, small r. These are the gametes, possibilities. So what do you mean by capital R, capital T? It is nothing but red flower with a tall plant. It is nothing but white flower with tall plant. It is nothing but red flower with dark plant. It is nothing but white flower with dark plant. Is it clear? So here also red flower with tall plant, white flower with tall plant, red flower with dark plant, white flower with dark plant. Right? The crossing between white flower, red flower with tall plant to red flower with tall plant. We are doing crossing ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ result ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಾ? We can get the same result like the red flower with tall plant. Right? So the crossing between red flower with tall plant to white flower with tall plant, we can get the tall plant with red flower. Right? And a crossing between these two, red flower with a tall plant and a white red flower with a dark plant. Right? The crossing between red flower with a tall plant to white flower with a dark plant, we can get the same result like the red flower with the tall plant. Here capital T, capital R, capital T, small r. Crossing between these two, you can get the capital T, capital R, T, small r, small r. The crossing between these two, you can get the capital T, capital R, small t, small r. And crossing between these two, you can get the capital T, small r, small t, capital small r. Crossing between these two, capital T, capital R, small t, capital R. Crossing between these two, capital T, capital R, small t, small r. Crossing between these two, small t, capital R, small t, capital R. Crossing between these two, small t, capital R, small r. Crossing between these two, capital T, capital R, small t, small r. Crossing between these, capital T, small r, small r. Crossing between these, capital R, small t, small r, small t, small r. So crossing between finally these two, you can get the same result, right? So this is the dihybrid cross. First filial generation. After first filial generation, so this is the second filial generation. So here, where the capital T, capital R gametes are there, no, all plants becomes red flower with the tall plant. The gametes capital T, capital. Where the capital T, capital R is there, so here one is there, 1. Here also is there, 2. Here also is there, 3. Here also is there, 4. Here is there, 5. Here is not there, capital R is not there. We should be left here. So here is there. Here is the sixth one. Here is capital R is not there. So here also R is not there, left here. And here is there, capital T, capital R. Which one? 6th, 7th. Here also is there, 8th. Here is not there, capital T. Capital R is there, capital T is not there. So here capital R is there, capital T is not there, left it. So here is there, how much? 9. So here not there, here is also not there, here is also not there. So how much red flower with the tall plant? 9. 9 are the red flower with the tall plant. Next, capital T, small r. That is nothing but white flower with the tall plant. Capital T, small r. Where there is capital T, small r. Here there is a 1. Right? 1. Capital T, small r. Is there no? So here 2. 1. 2. Next, here is not there. Capital T is not there. Here is also not there. Here is there. Capital T, small r. So much? 3. Here capital T is not there. Here is also capital T is not there. So much? White flower with the tall plant? 3. Then capital R, small t. That is nothing but a red flower with the dog plant is over. Notice here is there no 1. Here is also there 2. Here is also there 3. How much? 3. Here is not there capital R. So red flower with the dog plant 3. Remaining 1 is small t, small r. That is nothing but what? White flower with dog plant. Only 1. So that's why the ratio of dihybrid cross, that is 9:3:1. So this is the dihybrid cross ratio. I hope all of you understood the concept of dihybrid cross experiment. Is it clear? In the last class, monohybrid cross. In this class, dihybrid cross. Is it clear? Right.